2018 Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0 TSC remainder of factory warranty, factory maintenance up to date, recent trade-in, rear backup camera, Sirius XM, leather, third row seats, bench, 4-wheel disc brakes, 6 speakers, ABS brakes, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, brake assist, compass, delay off headlights, dual front impact airbags, dual front side impact airbags, electronic stability control, emergency communication system, VW Carney, 4-wheel independent suspension, front anti-roll bar, front bucket seats, front dual zone AC, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, heated front bucket seats, heated front seats, illuminated entry, leather shift knob, low tire pressure warning, occupant sensing airbag, outside temperature display, overhead airbag, overhead console, panic alarm, power door mirrors, power driver seat, power steering, power windows, radio data system, radio, AM/FM/HD/CD with dual USB and ON, rear anti-roll bar, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, remote CD player, remote keyless entry, roof rack, rails only, speed control, speed sensing steering, spoiler, steering wheel mounted audio controls, tachometer, telescoping steering wheel, tilt steering wheel, traction control, trip computer, turn signal indicator mirrors, variably intermittent wipers, wheels, 17 Tulsa. Recent arrival. Clean Carfax. Carfax one owner. 2227 City/Highway. Contact us at in-store at 770-729-4827 or online at www.heritagevolkswagen.com and see how easy it is to buy a vehicle at Heritage Volkswagen.